What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a quick easy one. Not even coming right from the gym, quick Sunday video. In this video I'm going to be replacing the stock mirror with a new clean mirror. I had a little incident a couple weeks ago, knocked my mirror, this and that, but in this video I'm going to change this mirror, which is the passenger side, just the glass, and then the same on the other side. But this mirror, I in fact going, call me cheap if you want, whatever, I in fact going expensive through BMW mirrors. So these are just eBay mirrors, but because they're eBay mirrors, the adapter, I'll get better, but the adapter through the back of that, this eBay one compared to the real one, is a different adapter for the defrosters. So I also bought new adapters for the wiring for the defrosters on the mirrors. If you're in Florida, California, somewhere it's warm, you don't need that. But I'm gonna do all that in the video. Just new mirrors themselves, just the glass on both sides with the new adapters. But I'm gonna get right into it. It should be a quick, easy video. Alright, so if you're looking here already, you already see I have the aftermarket glass on. I swapped this out like maybe last weekend or something because this one was destroyed. So I just picked this one up off a friend quick, and I wound up cracking it, putting it on like a real moron, but whatever. I'll throw the clip up on the screen just for a little laugh. I'm not sure if you heard that click, but that click means it's in. Let me just put that back to normal. And it cracked. But now, this is again the stock one. I'm getting rid of this. And this is aftermarket one. They both come off the same way. You just push your finger in this way, enough to get a finger behind this part, and then you want to pull the mirror off this way. Let's see if I get it on camera without cracking this even more. Get that finger underneath and just pull it off. Now that mirror is off. Get that out of there. But now just throwing in the new mirror, you just want to get it in there and click it in. But one thing I want to point out quick, now that we got the camera in a better spot, is the adapter. You see that has a different adapter than this. This has 2 prongs. The stock one here has, looks like 4. But with the actual mirror, I bought an adapter. I will link the mirrors and the adapters in the description. But the adapter is, it plugs into here, and the other end plugs into here versus plug in to plug in. But the adapter shouldn't be too much work, so I'm just going to plug in that adapter and then just mount this mirror right back on. Really shouldn't be too big of a deal. Okay, so with the adapter here, the first thing I want to mention is, like with the teeth right here, that side goes in. I hope you can see that little clock icon right there. It goes in that piece and the clock face each other, so it clicks in like that. The main reason is this is for the heaters, not for the dip. And in case you're having any questions, the red wire and the brown wire are for the mirror heaters, and then the purple and the black wire is for the dip. So these 2 short wires we're not going to use, so I'm just going to tape these 2 together and tuck them away. The 2 longer wires here are going to connect to the mirror. And in this case, the green wire, the long green wire is your negative, and then the yellow wire is going to be your positive. Also why it lines up with the wires up top. The wire all the way to your left being the brown wire is your negative, and then the red wire being your positive. Now when plugging in the adapter wires to the mirror itself, I'm just going to run it this way for now. The green wire goes more towards the middle of the mirror, and the yellow one's going to sit on the outside. So the yellow one is going to be closer to the right or left side, and then the green one is going to be in the middle of the mirror more. So like I said before, the green is going to go towards the inside prong. Just get that on there. And the yellow one, same thing. It's going to go on the outside prong right here. Those are 2 are plugged in. The 2 shorter wires are taped away. Now all I have to do now is just get the mirror on. This is where I dropped it last time. Wires are not in the way. I'll get that wire out of there. That's on. You saw how it jumped off like that? That's how it fell off last time. Okay. The mirror's on. I'm gonna just have to tuck up this wire a little bit better. Alright, so now with the mirror all done here, the wires are in, the mirror is attached and good. I'm just gonna go over to the driver's side of the car and repeat the same process off camera. There's no reason to record it twice. But this mirror is all set. Alright guys, both mirrors are all set. The wiring is done. They're mounted nice. I hope that was a pretty fast video, but
our videos are never really fast.
there you go. Our videos are never really fast, so
Wait, except the one when we tried using the Instagram scratch remover.
that was a fast one. Oh man. But no, anyways, fast video hopefully. If you guys have any questions or anything about the wiring or the mirror itself, leave it in the comments below. If you like the video, drop a thumbs up. And if you haven't also already dropped a sub, please do. But besides that guys, the mirrors are in. We will see you in the next video. Peace.